I guess, really understanding some of these factors in some detail. Because whenever we talk to people about them, you can, if you think about them at a superficial level, you can think they're all very simple. And yeah, we get that. Yeah, oh yeah, well, trust. Yeah, well, of course, trust is important. It's a bit like, well, yes, it's obvious, isn't it? And let's face it, those 6 different factors, they aren't rocket science, and they're not difficult to get your head around. But the degree to which people are actually actively focused on them, I think, is debatable. And it's very easy to take your eye off the ball with some of those things. So really looking into them in a bit more detail to understand why they're important. What are the mechanisms? Why does supervisory support have such an impact on the team? Why is it so important that we share information and skills? And so, our report goes into that in some detail. The summary report that people will get gives you, some better understanding than we've been able to share here. But the more detailed report that our AWI members will get has more information and some practical examples of places where you can start, because you can start anywhere and you can do little things, and little things are, will add value as well as a bigger picture exercise.